we'll get into something else. We finally went on these trails. If you guys didn't know what I'm talking about, go check out the previous video. Get your stuff together, Nick. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm like, what the hell? This guy's coming out of nowhere. We all brothers in some way or another. It's that moto fam. You know how it is. Oh, tight, tight. Oh yeah. We're getting our enduro on right now. We're on the edge of like 1,000-foot cliff. Only the skills that are holding us from falling into the abyss. Sarcasm, a little exaggeration. Hey man, what's life if you can't have fun, right? Alright, we're out of that area. Gotta take it easy because it's a tight trail. We don't want to come meet somebody coming up. You know, they gotta have good momentum because it's a climb. So they're gonna be hauling mail. And we're just slightly cruising. So I think, you know, people coming up. Get ready. Go down there. Yeah, I know there's a single down in there. Go get freaky with it. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. There it is. I'm not gonna back down. Remember, I went through this a while ago, 2 years I think. Get into it. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna take the ridge. Oh, let's go down here. Screw it. You know what attracts me this way? The shade. Whether it's gnarly or not, it's in the shade. Okay. Coming in. Oh yeah. That's a pretty gnarly drop. Shit, why did we tear our wheel? Woo! You guys didn't know that was a little sketch, but nothing. This old girl likes the heat, dude. Seems to run a little more crisp. I don't know if that makes any sense. She's there. She likes to idle and everything when it's hot. Which it is right now. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Drop it in. Holy. What the? That's how your tire turns and gets you locked in. Woo, smells good through here though. Yeah. There we go. Now we can start this girl. I'll try to take my time, you know, pick my line right. The last thing you want to do is, you know, considering I'm by myself, smack your case on something. That's a big branch. See, in the beginning of this video, we could have went our merry old way on that nice trail. What fun would that have been? Right? That'd been no fun. Nice and easy. Oh, there's a snake! I'll let him pass. We're in his area. I mean, he ain't in ours. Come on, buddy. Where you at? Where's your head? I know this is a harmless snake. There you go. All right, brother. You're good. I forget what they call that snake. Like a garden snake or something. I don't know. Anyways, back on the move. That's one thing, man. Wildlife, animal life, reptiles, whatever you see out here, don't harm them. Don't even mess with them. Like if you see a deer, you know what I mean, don't chase it down unless it happens to be like running with you, because that's happened to me before. They like kind of run like with you, like, you know, boom, 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 boom. You know, I've had I don't know, I'm talking about it's getting hot. But anyway, like I said, just leave them be. Give them time, let them cross. Don't, you know, get them all riled up. There's no reason for that. Because we're in their home. And, gotta respect that. Just like when you go to somebody's house. You don't go in their house and then, like, you know, just act a fool. Leave your trash everywhere. Piss on the toilet rim. No, you don't do that stuff. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. That's the end of it. I don't know where that goes. Let's try it. Alright, well, there's another way up. Look at gate down there. Woo! Alright, guys, we're gonna do it for that video. That was a nice technical, sketchy trail. Not sketchy, but you know, it was just hard working. You know, you gotta work hard for it. But anyway, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and share this video so we can grow. You know, steady growing still. Gotta keep it moving. All right, guys, peace.